In the previous video, we discussed a method where we do not create specific menus for any of the individual silos. Instead, we have only two menus on the site: a top menu with links to About Us, Privacy Policy, and Contact Us pages, and a sidebar menu with links to the category pages. The sidebar menu acts as the site navigation. You can go to the various category pages, and from the category pages you can go to the individual pages. The inner pages of each silo will have links to other pages within the same silo, and these links boost the relevance of each page within every silo. You do not want links that are not closely related to the topic of the page anywhere on the page, and this includes links in the top menu and links in the navigation menu and links in the footer. The pages Privacy Policy, Contact Us, and About Us are not closely related to the topic of the page, and the links in the navigation menu are not very relevant as well. But we need those links and we cannot remove them, so we will now follow all of the links that are not relevant. We will now follow Privacy Policy, Contact Us, About Us, and the links in the sidebar. You would want to note that we will not now follow the home link. Let's now follow the links in the top menu. To do that, go to Appearance, Menus. Make sure the top menu is selected here. Now click on Screen Options in the top right corner of the screen and make sure the Link Relationship option is selected. Now scroll down and click on the downward arrow next to Privacy Policy. In the Link Relationship text box, enter NoFollow. We will repeat the same procedure for the Contact Us and About Us pages. Click on Save menu, and we have just followed all of these three pages. Let's now follow the links in the sidebar. Select the sidebar menu, click on Save menu. We have now followed all of these links. Let's refresh the page. To verify whether a link has been followed, right click on any one of these links and select Inspect. Here you can see that this link now has the NoFollow attribute. In the next video, we will see how to remove this link from the footer.